Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, June 15th, and the markets are just a little bit off the highs of yesterday after that 111 test, but back up actually into the 110.50 mark where we're consolidating briefly here pre-market. Again, just looking at the SPY. So if we get a breakout, even pre-market here of 110.50, I'll still be looking at the 111 mark here as resistance. You can see that guy up here definitely means something. We can fine-tune this now a little bit by grabbing that line. So that to me, again, is still meaningful. If we do not hold that and end up going below 110, so a really nice little 50-cent move here, then I'll be looking for 109.50, which was where we kind of closed and consolidated after market, and also 109.50 matches with the rising 200 MA on this 15-minute chart. On a 60-minute chart, you can see nicely also that we're kind of just holding up here. That would just about corroborate with the rising 50 MA. So overhead resistance a little bit easier to discern this time. On a daily chart, you already know what we were bumping our head into. This moving average right through here, the big red on the daily chart, the 200 MA. So a lot of good overhead resistance to try to fight through on the way up, and we've been up pretty nicely. Let's go back and look at intraday now at a 15-minute chart of the trend. See how that closed yesterday? So if you look at this all day long, real nice consolidation area through here. One nice little breakout of the market, and sell-off in the trend would have been bullish for the markets again, but 0.6, not too bad. But then right back up in the neutral range, and then beyond 1.2 into the 1.4 area, which is a little bit bearish. The trend Q also spent a good part of the day, just a pretty good blip into a way overbought area. We talked about that yesterday, and they came screaming back into the neutral range, and now even a little bit beyond. So we'll have to see how those work out, but not rare to see the markets want to try to correct off of something that bullish. And the VIX also had a little bit of a pop and a gap fill. Doesn't look like much, but this held very nicely for most of the day before breaking out, and that confirmed up into this perfect gap fill here. So the beginning of the move, nice resistance, secondarily declining 50 MA. A lot of good technical reasons why this stock is stalling at the moment, or this the VIX is stalling at the moment. So we have those things to watch out for on the way up and the way down. So I like to have that flanked, and we can do a good job now today of going forward and using the information we have to figure out how we're going to trade into it. So good stuff. Hope you have a great trading day, and I'll be looking forward to talking to you around noon to see how things are shaping up.